In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contacts in Gmail. Keeping your contact details accurate makes emailing faster and prevents messages from bouncing or going to the wrong person. Here's the simplest way to make quick updates right inside Gmail without leaving your inbox. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing in. Look over to the far right of the screen for a thin vertical sidebar. This panel holds handy tools you can open without losing your place. In that sidebar, find the silhouette icon that looks like a person's head and shoulders. That's the Contacts shortcut. Click it to open your contacts list in a side pane. You'll see your contacts arranged in a clean list. This view makes it easy to spot the person you want to update. Go ahead and click the contact you want to edit. As soon as you select a contact, a detail view appears, showing the information currently stored for them. At the top of this view, you'll notice several small icons. Click the pencil icon to edit the contact. That pencil is your editing tool. When you select it, the contact fields become editable so you can make the changes you need. Use this time to correct spelling, update job titles, add a work or mobile number, or refresh an email address that's changed. If you like to keep things consistent, use a standard format for phone numbers and confirm you're using the preferred email address for that person. Adding a company name or a short note can also help you remember context later, such as a project you worked on together or a pronunciation reminder. As you edit, keep your changes clear and meaningful. A tidy contact keeps your inbox organized and makes Gmail's suggestions more helpful when you start composing messages. Your updates will sync with your Google account, so they'll show up the next time you type a name into the To field. If you're editing more than one person, repeat the same flow. Pick the next contact in the list and use the pencil icon to adjust their details. It's quick and keeps you in the same familiar Gmail window. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, click the silhouette icon on the right to view your contacts, select the contact you want, and use the pencil icon to make your edits. With just a few clicks, you'll have your address book cleaned up and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more organized Gmail experience.